Start recording. Ready? Fucking unboxing shit we brought from Japan. Fucking one shot, one video, 1 hour. I got people fucking right there. Ah. I got the camera ready in my head. I'm chilling like a villain. This fucking also sucky camera, so it ain't gonna look too pretty. First item. Boom. Fucking volume one, Bochi the Rock. I got a shit ton of shit, so I'm gonna go through it fast. Boom. Oh shit. One down. One down. One down. Fucking boom. I can't open it. Chapter 1. Black Clover. Boom. Power right there. Power right there. Colorful stage. Is this the second one? No. But fucking money. Vampire. Hatsune Miku. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. Chapter 1. Fucking Dandadan. Money, 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 money. Yakuza Girlfriend. Chapter 1. Fucking good ass anime. Chainsaw Man. Ooh, 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 ooh. Money, money, money. Chapter 1. Romance anime. Fucking blue box right here. Ooh, this shit's tough. This shit's tough. This shit's tough. A little more fucking Hatsune Miku shit. A little hardcover. In a way. Still in the plastic wrap. I won't open it. Good ass fucking cover art. Fucking another good anime. Beelzebub. The fucking I got so much shit to cover, so I'm gonna go fast. That's one of the best animes out there. AOT. Fucking chapter 1, where it fucking started. Shout out to that one fucking friend. It's fucking goated. Undead Unluck. Little scheme. What's next? What's next? What's next? Food Wars. Chapter 1. And basically, ooh! If it's kind of blurry, hey, that's what it is. Oh my god, this is a good fucking. Next. I don't know. One Piece. Uno cards. Money, money, money. Cells at Work. Chapter 1. You got fucking Hunter x Hunter. No reviews. Marshall. Cream Puffs. Spy X Family. Little Skim. Sakamoto Days. Could have been better. Anime's kind of fucking mid. Fucking dropped it. Manga's probably pretty good. But can't say that for the anime. Fuck you. Welcome to Demon School. Yurumakun. Fucking goated. Has 4 seasons. Can't wait for the next one. Or 3. I forgot. Hold up. I don't know. I forgot. Maybe 4 or 5. I watched it like fucking JJK. Chapter 0. Prequel to JJK, if I'm correct. The Danger's in My Heart. One of the best romance animes. If you get past the first 2 episodes, 3, the rest, they're fucking money. Tall bad bitch. Stone Ocean Part 6. JoJo. Watch JoJo's Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be honest, I don't know what the fuck this is. I got it because it's cool as shit. First manga I got in Japan. I just got it because it looked cute as hell. Call of the Night. I totally forgot what it was for a second. Call of the Night. Money, 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 money. Yeah, season 2? I saw, bro. Colorful Stage. The other one that I was talking about. Oh, ooh, ooh, free? What's this? Ooh. Ooh, these are the other ones I had. What? Oh, which one was it? The maid, the fucking Yakuza that's a fucking housewife. House husband. You remember this one? I forgot the title. But he's a housewife, basically. The Yakuza. Peak at its finest. Solo leveling. Chapter 1. The way of the Oh yeah. The way of the house something. Apothecary Diaries. It's sealed. No, do not enter. Dragon Ball. Little metal plate. We got Dr. Stone. Chapter 1. All in Japanese. JoJo Lands Part 9. Won't spoil it. It's in Japanese though, so you can't. One Punch Man. I can't wait for this to get a fucking season 3. Little scheme. Oh. Let's not forget JJK. Fucking King Gojo. Man. Spoilers. The whole Skypiea arc from One Piece. Goated arc. I don't know why people skip it. Yeah, fuck you. Huh? Next, we got Demon Slayer. Can't wait for. What was the fucking movie called? Yeah. Oh, Infinite Castle. Bro, you gotta watch it, bro. It's so peak. I binge watched it. Minecraft. I binge watched all the fucking Demon Slayer anime. The Hashira arc, the training arc, that shit was gas. Ooh, she's a baddie. She knows she had done. Chapter 1, Romance Dance. One of the best animes ever. One Piece. I don't know. People say it's long, but hey, fuck 'em. Vampire. Volume 2. We already went through the first one. Now, time to get to the. Oh, hold on. New fucking format. Oh, the fucking. Bam, right there. Oh, yeah. I also got this fucking one from Sakura Card Capture. Oh, this shit's tough. Toma. Also got this one, but this was from the Kawaii Con. Fucking My Dress Up Darling Matt. Mouse pad. Boom. That's next. Now we're gonna go into the long part of it. Building the figurines. So I got my trusty handy dandy knife. Ooh. Marine Corps birthday. You know what you need to do? Get some bitches. ¿Quieres unas pizzas? Oh damn. Hopefully I remember how to build them, bro. Oh, there's so many figurines, dude. I'm a crack out. Lelouch. Oh wait, no, this. The fuck? Disrespect. Oh, here we go. Ooh, first one down. Ooh. Ooh. Toma, toma. First one down. Next one down. Next one up. Awesome. Hatsune Miku. Yes. Sharp knife. Oh shit. No. This is Hatsune Miku but golfing. So many fucking pieces, bro. Oh! This video gonna take forever, bro. Ow! I feel like I dropped it. Anyways. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh, this is tough. This is tough. There we go. First one, second one down. Hatsune Miku golfing. Ooh, check it out, guys. Toma, toma. Now. Next one down. We got Hatsune Miku once again. This one's Schoolgirl Studious. Studious Hatsune Miku. If you guys want to see it real quick. Studious. She's probably the class rep right now or the class president or something. Top or bottom, Saul? Top or bottom? Top or bottom? Right now. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Let's see what Saul got. Let's see what Saul got. Unboxing. You got Asuna as a bunny girl. Woo! You're lucky. You're lucky. Motivate, realist. Give me them bunny ears. Bro, that ass. And it's so blurry, too. Fucking shit. Dude, I'm gonna crash out. Here we go. There we go. So I would look at this. bro. And look at the leggings, bro. They're silk, bro. You could pull them and shit, and it feels. I'm about them, bro. This shit's crazy, bro. This shit's tough. Ooh, Saul, you got this, man. That's tough. That's tough. There's the other one down. I got two more of these, bunny. Top or bottom, Chong? Top or bottom? This motherfucker. Top or bottom? Saul, top or bottom, man? And we got another fucking bunny. It was this bitch from the bitch from Overlord, man. I forgot the name. Was it slime? Bro. I've seen it. I have it on my saved. You know who you forgot? I don't remember the name of this one. From Overlord? Yes, it is. Just says she's in a bunny girl. Yes, it is. I literally says Overlord on the box. Satanya or something like that. I think that's how it goes. Oh shit, how do you... Yo, what? Oh, there we go. It'll focus up if it focuses. Money. Top or bottom, Chong? Top or bottom? So, top or bottom, man? Top or bottom? Oh, top. We got Hatsune Miku. Ooh. This one's tough. This one's tough. Oh, this is the one with the spy. Detective, somewhat in a way. Detective Miku, in a way. Oh, this one's tough. This one's tough. This one's tough. Top or bottom? Top or bottom? We got Albedo. Albedo? Albedo? Damn. Yeah. Boom, obeyed. Fuck. I already put it down. Top or bottom? Top or bottom? Middle? Top or bottom? I didn't hear you. Top or bottom? Middle. Aw, this one's cute. Look. But she just sits on like the you don't know nothing, man. You just sits right there. That's so tough. She just sits there, bro. I'm gonna keep that one up there. Top, bottom, or middle? Top. Nick, you just gotta say fucking a word. He said top. He said top. He said top. You. Oh, fuck. Oh, I think we got the bunny, Miku bunny. Oh, we did. Jackpot. Jackpot. Bro, this shit's tough. Miku bunny. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. Motivate. There we go. That's tough. Top or bottom? Top or bottom or middle? Ooh, floaty Miku in the floaty. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Here, this is what you unbox, man. Miku and a floaty. That's tough. I'm gonna put this up here. These are the ones I want to put in the office or something. Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? Ah! Oh, hell no. The fuck is this? Bruh. It's just fucking this, bruh. I'll put this over here. So it look at me. Top, bottom, or middle? Pulling this one. Oh, let me see. Ooh. Miku working at the beach, I guess. Here you go. Boom. Real quick. Boom. Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? Pulling. Pulling. We got. Ooh, snow. Or cold Miku. There we go. There we go. Here it is. Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? John. Come on, man. My head, it hurts. This is from Jobless Reincarnation? No. This isn't from Jobless Reincarnation, right? It says Elena. It says her name's Elena. Have I watched that? No. Dude, hold up. Let me see. Yeah. Top, bottom, yeah. Top, bottom, or middle? The texture on the fucking figurines was fucking pristine. Top, bottom, or middle? Bottom. What do we got? Oh, we got another colorized Miku bunny. Oh, I think I lost the bunny ears. I'm gonna keep this one right here. Did I drop the bunny ears? I'll worry about it later. Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? Hey, yo, top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? I know which one this is. This is the one I use for... Unas pichas. I used it as a mini for D&D, so... Boom. Motherfucker. There we go. Just gonna go up here. I don't know. Put it right here. Top, bottom, or middle? I don't like my hero, bro. It's the fucking feather, dude. Here, let me show you real quick. I just got him with it was a free mystery bag. Here, let me show you. This. Oh shit. Hold on. This guy. Mihawk or something. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, he floats. Yeah. So I'm gonna fucking kill you. Yeah, check it out. That was his name? Now that I'm looking at it, that's not that many figurines. It was just the boxes making him big. Or top, bottom, or middle? Oh my god, this is so cute, dude. Tell me this is cute, bro. Come on. Tell me this is not cute. Fuck you. Explosion. Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? Bottom. Well, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Unboxing. Oh, my queen! My queen! My queen! Boa Hancock in the making, if you guys didn't know. Boa Hancock, right here. Yes. Best girl in One Piece, bro. You can't even talk shit. You haven't watched One Piece. Yes, I did. I watched all the way to like. You watched 900 episodes. What arc? What arc did you stop? All the Straw Hats. Polly Chopper. No. Not Luffy. Not Zoro. I mean, just because she died, nah, that's crazy. It's not that bad. Like top three worst ones. Uh, I'd say top three worst one. Number three. Number three is probably gonna be fucking. I don't know. Maybe number three, Brooke. Chopper. Nah, that's a bad one. But look at this. Look at this. All right, fuck you, huh? What your fucking assholes. Top, bottom, or middle? Y'all took this fucking long. Fucking done with your bullshit. Oh, she's gonna fall. I just woke. Oh, I forgot to put something. What is this? For Hawk. What is this? Oh, his fucking swords. Get back over here. Yeah, I forgot to put him on. He has like fucking ODM gear or something. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Money, money, money. Now I put the body back. There we go, there we go. Boom, swords. Sword in one hand. The other one over here. There we go, finished, finished. Here we go. Now he had the swords. I don't know. He's probably fighting titans or something. Was that an Attack on Titan reference? I'm just dead ass. All right, next one. Ooh, this is adventurous Miku. Adventurous Miku. Oh, this shit's tough. Fucking my head itchy. Here is hiking Miku with a backpack and everything. Ooh. Top, bottom, or middle? This is somewhat retro Miku, I guess, in a way. Funky Miku. Here we go. Ta-da! Top, bottom, or middle? Middle. You have pulled. Ooh, one or two. You go back in there. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh, this is original Miku, bro. OG Miku. 2007. 2009. 2007. Ooh, and the fucking legs are glossy, bro. It's fucking ice. Okage Mono. Imagine this shit doesn't even fucking record right. It says sorry, it was too big. It can't fucking. I'd fucking crash out. How's it? How does this one look? OG Fortnite skin. Top, bottom, or middle? Oh, this one's a this one was a favorite. This one was a favorite. We're gonna be doing a special giveaway, guys. Yeah, look at this one. Look at this one. This one's cute as hell, bro. This one, Detective Anya. I'm gonna put this one on top right here. Top, bottom, or middle? You ready for this shit? Dubstep. Yep, it's a small box. No way, it broke. The handle broke, but I could put it back with glue. But this is what it was. Top, bottom, or middle? I'll make sure to put this here so I won't lose it. Top, bottom, or middle? Bottom. You got schoolgirl Miku, bro. For the bros, the does. Bros, does is hers. Here we go. Boom. Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? Oh, this one's a good one. This one's a good one. She has an interchangeable face too. You wouldn't guess who it is. Here it is. That's creepy as hell. Look at this shit, bro. Fucking Kaguya. Look. She got a Toma. Take off the face. Face swap. That shit's tough, but I feel like I might lose a piece or something. It's going on the fucking. She's just gonna fucking look at me at night, bro. I'm gonna crash out. Top, bottom, or middle? Top, bottom, or middle? We got fucking 3, 6, 7, 8 more. 3, 6, 7, 7 more. Top, bottom, or middle? We got. If it's another Miku one, though. Oh, I know which one's this one. This was the one where the dude woke up from a fucking bedtime and he became a girl. I don't know if you guys remember this one. This one? John, I think you watched it. Oh, this dude is fucking locked in, bro. Hey, fucking, how about you hit the fucking gym? Jesus Christ. Shit's tough, though. This shit's tough. Oh, I think I found the missing plate for my figure. I knew. Oh, this one's like devilish Miku. Devil Miku? Here we go. This one's next. Ooh. Top, bottom, or middle? This one's a blind one too. I'm not gonna make it. I'm trying to do this in under an hour. If I can. Here it is. Toma. I don't know. I got that one in a free. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Oh shit. There. Just give me my money. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. No way. Sean, you always pick the fucking worst one, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Bro, look at this shit, bro. Look at this one, bro. One, two, 1, 2, 1 or 2, 1 or 2, 1 or 2. Is this Miku? It is. Bro, the one from the quintessential quintuplets. Damn, she a baddie. I got 1 minute and 40 seconds. I got one more. I gotta finish before that so I could end the fucking thingy-majiggy. Oh, that's tough though. Boom, boom, boom. Fucking one. Last to end it all, fucking Miku. Oh, that's sweet, and it's just the desktop one, so we're trimming. Boom. Fucking final one. Yep. That's just Miku eating a fucking little Paris. Little Paris action. Wee. Alright, that should be it. That should be it. Boom. Done. Time. Little fucking. Little. Oh, all my shit. Still need to decorate. Little fucking Kim Jong-un action and shit. Alright, but that's fucking it. For the most part. Full icon. Tomorrow, we're fucking chilling like villains. Hey, fucking done. Done and done. Ooh. Outro music for Miku. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, bye bye. Subscribe.